Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a product review on this Milwaukee Fuel edger or string trimmer with the edger attachment. So yeah guys, it's a bit heavy on this side, but this side is pretty, it feels good. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna basically go ahead and take you to a property and we're gonna test it out. I was thinking about buying a gas edger, but I was recommended this one by the Milwaukee team, and seems like it's good. So yeah, let's go ahead and go to a property. Alrighty guys, so we're right here at the property. I already put the battery in. As you can see, it's fully charged. And yeah guys, I'm also missing couple of things, so let me get it. I need my gloves, there we go, and also need some safety glasses. Righty, all set. So like I said, it got two modes right here. Got the little clutch. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the turtle mode, and then it just has two modes: the turtle mode and then the rabbit mode. So check it out. The rabbit mode seems, seems pretty powerful even in the turtle mode. Truck's on the way, so I won't be able to do that side. Looks good. Let's try this side right here. Right here, look at this one. Did cut it. Oh, I guess because it got stuck right here. I guess it got like a safety feature or something. Let's try the rabbit mode. And it's a little bit muddy here because it's been raining. As you can see, it's about to start raining too, so I guess it got like a stop feature or something whenever something gets stuck. I'm not sure. Maybe the shaft, I put it wrong. Let me check. Let me double check, because like I said, I'm really new to this. The shaft seems good. I guess it got a safety feature if it does lock or something. I don't know why why it does that. Maybe the like it just started raining over there. Well, that's a disappointment. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this thing. It's about to start raining, so let me go in the truck real quick. The battery's messed up or something. Alrighty, it just stopped raining here. I'm gonna change the battery. I'm not sure why it's doing that. If you have any and I mean the batteries are that, I think the battery that I put was an old battery. Like you see the cardinal, so that, I think the battery that I put was an old battery. Like you see the cardinal, so I mean, it seems to work, but hopefully, I don't know why it maybe gets hot. This one seemed to work good. Oh, it was full charge and now it only has 3 lights. Let me try it on the so I maybe need to get maybe bigger batteries, so we'll see. See, that's 2 batteries. I mean 2 little red dots. So yeah, maybe I gotta get bigger batteries because these ones are really small. So go ahead and try it again since here. Working fine. I think it was just the battery that's maybe the other one's messed up. Yeah, the battery. I think that's what it means to charge it, no? Yeah. Yeah, it means to charge the battery, so so yeah, I mean it works fine. Let me put it right here. I mean it works good, but I'm just gonna I have to upgrade bigger batteries. Like I said, this is a small battery, so it's the 1.5 ohms, so 18 volt. I'm gonna have to change to the bigger batteries. So that's what it was. I mean, it says it got 2. yeah, I'm gonna have to change batteries. But I mean, overall, it's a pretty good little setup. I'm not sure if it'll work good as a business, maybe for like homeowners, kind of like this, you know, kind of like one house with that battery. I'm not sure if other batteries are better. I've heard that bigger batteries get you more you know, battery time, so I'm pretty sure it'll work good with bigger batteries. You can see it's raining again now. So yeah guys, I mean, I like it. It's really powerful, but like I said, you're gonna have to get a bigger battery. This is the one that actually came with the drill, so I'm gonna have to upgrade bigger batteries, maybe get like 2 or 3 bigger batteries and then make another review on that. But as far as the little small batteries, I mean, you could probably get one lawn, you know, done with no hesitation, you know. So I'll say give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try, you know. I'm not gonna give up on it. And here later on, you know, we'll do a review on once I get the bigger battery. So yeah guys, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Alrighty guys, so this is the battery that I have, and this is the 18 volt. I was using it with the EDGER, and what I'm seeing right here on YouTube, a lot of people use the bigger battery pack. This is the little small ones for the drill. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna go ahead and have to get the big batteries. I mean, it does have a lot of torque. I just have the wrong battery, guys. So here pretty soon I'll go ahead and order those batteries, and then we'll give it another try. Like I said, it is hot a little bit, but yeah, it seems that a lot of people are using the bigger batteries, and I knew that I was gonna have to get the bigger batteries anyways, but I just wanted to see if it worked with the small batteries. So this is a review with the small batteries. It did work, but it unfortunately the EDGER does have a lot of torque, guys, and the Milwaukee small battery overheats. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to get a bigger battery. But overall it works pretty great. As you can see, this guy right here is edging, and he's edging. He got the he has the bigger battery. Let me see. Let me see. He has a bigger battery, and this is a little small, little bitty one. So yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna give up on it. I know that it needs a bigger battery, so I mean, we'll see how it works, man.